Andy.
Hi there. How's your day going?
What day is it today?
Today is Tuesday, August 4th, 2026.
Hi Andy.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
How is the weather today?
It's cloudy in Shenzhen right now, 28 degrees. Feels like 31.
Hi Andy.
Hey there. What can I do for you?
What interesting things can you do?
I can check weather, play music, look up the Chinese almanac, set volume and brightness, search past chats, and more. What are you in the mood for?
Hi Andy.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
I'm not in a good mood today.
Sorry to hear that. Want to talk about it? Or would you rather I distract you with some music or a joke?
Hi Andy.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
What is more suitable for weight loss to eat in the evening?
For evening weight loss, try light options like grilled chicken breast, steamed fish, mixed vegetable salad, or clear soups. Avoid heavy carbs and late night snacking.
Hi Andy.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
How is a rainbow formed?
A rainbow forms when sunlight hits raindrops in the air. The light bends and reflects inside each drop, splitting into colors like a prism.
Hi Andy.
Hi there. What can I do for you?
Tell a story about a little squirrel adventure in the forest.
Once upon a time, a little squirrel named Pip found a giant acorn in the forest. It was so big he couldn't carry it alone.
The ESP32 core board adopts a built-in antenna design. The ESP32 core board adopts a built-in antenna design.
Visual inspection uses cameras to capture images of objects. Then software analyzes those images by comparing them against preset state.